Hi everyone, this is Ashley, and welcome to the 5 minutes Octoparse tutorial. I'm going to show you how to script job information from Glassdoor.com using Octoparse step by step. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to script job information from Glassdoor in 5 steps. Let's get started. Before we get started, go to your own browser, open Glassdoor.com and type in the job title and the location. In this case, we're looking for Content Manager in New York. So, type those in and hit Enter key. After page finished loading up, copy this URL. This is the URL we will be using in this demonstration. Step 1. Enter the URLs of the websites you would like to script to open the target web page. Build a new task by clicking Advanced Mode. Copy this URL and paste it into the box, and then click Save and Run at the bottom of left corner. Step 2. Create a pagination loop. The interface is divided into 3 parts: the workflow box on the left, the setting area on the right, and the interactive view of the website on the bottom. As you can see, Octoparse loads the job information. Let's switch off the workflow so that we can take a look at the web page. As you can see, on the left side, job listings spread over different pages. Each detail information will be loaded on the right as you click through each listing. In this tutorial, we will script all job details on all pages. First, go to Job Listing area and scroll down to find the pagination bar. Then click the Next Page button. The command panel called Action tab will show up once you interact with websites. It will ask what you want to do with the selected element. In this case, select Loop Click Next Page. As you can see, now we finish clicking a pagination loop. Octoparse will click through each listing page and do the exact same thing as the action we take on the first page. Step 3. Create a loop item. To click through each detail page get further information, we need to create a loop item. To create a loop item, select the element, in this case, the job title from the listing. You will notice that a selected element, in this case, the first job title, is highlighted in green. This means it has successfully selected. You will also notice that other job titles are highlighted in pink at the same time. This means that Octoparse finds other similar elements. Follow the guide from Action tab and click Select All, since we want Octoparse to get all job information, not just the first one. Click Loop Click each URL to create a loop item. Octoparse will click through each job title. Now, go to the setting area. We need to do a few adjustments. Uncheck Auto Try, since we don't need this function in this tutorial. Octoparse select the Ajax load by default. Speak to Ajax. Many of you probably are confused. What is Ajax? Ajax stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It means a set of web development techniques that allows web page to update a portion of the content without having to refresh the page. To better understand what Ajax is, let's take a look at Twitter. Twitter uploads the tweets by refreshing part of the web page. When you scroll down to get more tweets, you will notice just the menu bar is refreshed, and the rest of the web page remains still. That's because Twitter uses the Ajax technique. You're able to see the message immediately by only refreshing part of the page, so it saves you the time from refreshing the whole web page whenever a new message comes in. How can you tell the web page applies Ajax? There are many ways you can tell if the website uses Ajax. The easiest way is to check the browser tab. When you update a web page, if there is a loading sign appears, it means the page you're browsing does not apply Ajax technique. To learn more about Ajax, you can check our websites. I have posted a link down below. Make sure you leave comment if you still got any question. Okay, let's go back to Octoparse and finish our scripting task. as Glassdoor uses Ajax on its websites. Now we need to set up the timing as 10 seconds. Click to save the step. Now we have a loop list with all the detailed pages. Octoparse will click through each page and do the exact same thing as the action we take on the first page. Step 4. Data extraction. Now we need to select extraction field. To extract the data, click the element, for example in this case the job title, and select extract text of the selected element from action type. You can change the name and type in the name you want, in this case, job title. You may find that the data we need has been divided into different sections. Like Glassdoor, the company's information is not on the same section with job information. We can tell Octoparse to go to this section and find the company's information for us. In this case, for example, go to Companies section by clicking Company button. Then select Click Element command. To tell Octoparse go to this section by performing a click. As you can see here, has been switched to company's information. Now select the data we need. In this section, select Size, then choose Extract Text of the selected element. To tell Octoparse to get the text information, click Headquarter, for instance, and then select Click Element command. Step 5. Run the task and get the data. After setting up the rules, we can run the task by clicking Start Extraction, then select Local Extraction to run the task. Now, we finished creating the scripper with Octoparse, and you are able to see the extraction from the pop-up. Thanks for watching. Please leave us a comment down below if you have any questions.